My favorite recipes are definitely the peanut butter cookies and the nachos. My name is Maya, and I am 9 years old. I love cooking because it's entertaining, and I love also cooking for people. It brings joy to the people. I feel like it does that. My mom loves cooking, my grandma loves cooking, and I think it's just in the Salazar blood. I started doing recipes with my mom last year, and this year I've been doing most of them alone. What made me decide to create a cookbook is I had tons of recipes in this notebook, so I wanted to put them all in a big book and like it's a family of recipes. My dad had the idea, well, we together, the idea of sharing the cookbook. It was super fun working on it. I had so much fun. Always cook with love.